11 degrees below zero right now in Chicago.
Last year's winter was one to remember. We saw record cold temperatures. DC picked up 32 inches of snow, the coldest winter in decades. How will this winter be? One thing we look at is the current snow coverage. The image on the left is snow coverage last year in November. On the right is current snow coverage. Snow coverage has reached near record amounts in Siberia and Canada, which is a strong indication that a cold and snowy winter is in store. We also look at the equatorial Pacific water temperatures. One thing that is different from last year is the development of a weak El Nino, which means warming of these waters. I expect a weak to moderate El Nino to develop. During El Nino years, the southern branch of the jet stream is stronger, and that increases the chances for coastal storms, as well as more snow. This year will feature fluctuations in the NAO and the AO, the North Atlantic Oscillation and the Arctic Oscillation. When they go into negative phase, there is a trough in the jet stream that causes cold air to spill into the eastern part of the country, as well as increases chances for more coastal storms. This year, I predict most of the Mid-Atlantic will see below average temperatures and above average precipitation. Snowfall will be above average for most of the region and average to slightly above average for the beaches and coastline. The average highs for Washington, D.C. are between 40 and 52 degrees. The average lows are between 28 and 34 degrees. This year, I predict December will feature below average temperatures. January, February, and March will be below to well below average. On an average season, Washington, D.C. picks up 15.4 inches of snow. This year, I predict 20 to 30 inches of snow will fall in D.C. and more west. To summarize this upcoming winter, we will see above average snowfall, a weak to moderate El Nino, and we will also see below to well below average temperatures, just like last year. If you hate snow and hate the cold, this winter is not for you. Stay with DMV Weather, and we'll keep you ahead of every winter storm. I'm lead forecaster Daniel Perez. Have a great and safe winter.